Welcome once again to Smart Money. It's my pleasure to have you here today too. I know you found value in us, and that's why you've revisited us once again. Please, if today happens to be your first time coming across a content on this honorable channel, please, all I ask from you is to subscribe to my channel, like the video, share, at least be interactive, stay positive with us, and trust me, we are all going to make it at the end, right? So in this video, I'm going to show you another strategy that I use that's able to fetch me at least $50 to $100 on a daily basis. As you can see, let me show you something here. Today I took a trade and it's already in profit, so I've closed it. So let me show you my account here. You can see $133, right? This account was only $12 in the morning, and with this strategy, in less than 12 hours, I've grew it to 133. If you think this money is too small, just multiply, use the exchange rate and multiply it by your local currency, and you will note that I only bring you gold mine strategies, gold mine videos. So kindly stay with me as I take you through. I'm actually bringing this video due to enormous request, due to the positive recommendations I've been getting by this video I posted. Yes, I'm talking about this video right here that I created, this strategy. It's mostly for beginners, for scalpers. Whether you know how to trade or not, all you have to do is to watch the video and set up your MT5 trading app. I actually use this strategy on volatility 75, and it works like magic, guys. It really works, so you can try it out. I was so amazed when a friend contacted me that with this strategy he has grown his account from $12 to $300. It was so incredible. Time is it on our side, I would have shown you that chart. So today I'm going to show you another one, and I actually use this one that I'm going to show you on currency pairs, right? Like GBP USD, Euro USD, and the likes, right? So without much ado, let's dive in. Okay, so all you have to do is to download your MT5, create an account with your broker. If you don't have account on any broker, you can let me know, or I'll drop a link to either FBS or any broker that I trade with, so you can also create your account and then you ride with us, right? So without much ado, let me take you through the systematic way through which you can set up this strategy on your MT4 trading app. I don't really know if it will work on MT5, right? Because I've set it up on my MT4 and it really works for me. I've been making money. I've been making money, guys. Trust me. I've been making money. So let's go. Okay, so remember that when you open your MT4, you are not going to see this there, right? You are not going to see this because it's a setting that I've done on my own, and it's working for me, right? As you already know, if it's not about money, I'm not posting. So how are you going to do this? Just click on this button here. That's something that looks like F. Just click on it, guys. If you stay with me, trust me, you're gonna make money. So first, you click on this sign, this plus sign here, and make sure you are doing it on main chart, right? So you click on that sign and then you go for RSI. Take note, RSI is the short or the abbreviated form for relative strength index, right? So you search for RSI and you are going to input these parameters, right? Make sure the period, you clear whatever you see there and enter one. You apply it to close. The pixel, select, the style is 3 pixel, and the color you should choose white. Right when you are done, just click on this edit button, right? Click on this and it will take you to this section, right? So when you come to this section here, clear whatever you see there and enter 32, and the description enter buy, right? Come to the next section, enter 68, the description, enter sell. When you are done, the style is 3 pixel and then the color should be gray, right? When you are done, go back, right? Just go back and then click on done and it will be saved, right? Make sure you stay with me. All right, so we are done with that setup. Let's move on to the next one. You will still have to click on main chart again, right? You click on main chart again, right? And this time around, you are going to select moving average or MA, right? You are going to select moving average. This is moving average, right? So you just select your moving average. You enter these parameters. Period, set it to 200. Shift, set it to 0. Method, set it to exponential. And then apply to close, right? When you are done, the style is 2 pixel and the color is red. Right when you are done, please just click on the top here. Just click here and select done, right? Now let's move on to the next indicator, right? Let's move on to the next indicator, right? So now you go to indicator window 1. Indicator window 1, click on that F. Please follow the video well, pay rapt attention so you don't mess up anything, right? So let me delete this guy. Okay, so you click on indicator window 1, you click on that F and the plus sign, and then you are going to select envelope, right? You select this guy, envelopes, right? You just click on it and look at the parameters. It's as simple as ABCD. Set this guy to 1, set shift to 0, set deviation to 0.008. Method is smooth. Apply to close. Upper band 3 pixel, lower band 3 pixel, and for the colors you can choose any color of your choice, right? When you are done, as usual, you click on done and it will be saved. Am I ringing a bell, right? Okay, so that will be for indicator window 1. Now you go to the main chart, right? Sorry, still on indicator window 1. Sorry guys, sorry. Still on indicator window 1 again. Click on the F again. Still on indicator window 1. Now click on envelope again, and this time around you are going to set, oh my god, let me show you this guy. So you just have to click on this guy again, right? You just have to click on this guy again and you select another envelope, right? Let me show you my settings here. This is the previous one. Okay, so you select another envelope. So this one, the period should be 1, shift should be 0, deviation should be 6.000. Take note, method is smooth. Apply to close. The style 3 pixel, another 3 pixel, and you choose any colors of your choice for them. When you're done, as usual, you click on done and then it will be saved. right? Now let's go back and I'll show you how you are going to be using this indicator, and trust me, money will start flowing into your account like a ritualist. This strategy really works. I've tested and confirmed it, and it works marvelously. So let's go back and see something. So when you come back, you are going to see something. Now, for the first time, just put your two fingers on this screen and squeeze it, right? Squeeze it to zoom out the screen to the last zoom section, right? Sorry, to the last zoom level. Zoom it out like that, right? And this is the perfect zoom level you have to be using it. Also, when you want to be getting signals easily, you can zoom it only once, one time, right? So you can only use this zoom level or this one. Other than that, anything like this, like that will not work perfectly for you. And trust me, you are going to be getting false signals. So sorry, zoom it out to the last zoom section. Now listen, this signal or this strategy is going to be telling us to buy or sell, right? And once you get the signal, guys, trust me, you are going to make it. It's obvious, it's going to hit. Though no strategy is a holy grail, but with this strategy, I'm 97% assured you will make more profit than losses, right? So look at something here. We have two bands here. We have the upper band, which is blue, right? And we also have the lower band, right? Now let me clear these guys. Now look at the two envelopes that we selected. Look at them here. These are the envelopes that we selected, right? So this is how the whole thing goes. Whenever you see, whenever you see the envelope touching the lower band, right, it means you should buy. But it doesn't mean you should buy instantly. Take note, if you don't take care and listen to the strategy well, you will be in profit, but if you are not monitoring the trade, you can also make losses. So listen to the instructions well. And whenever it hits the upper band, it's telling you to sell. The lower band is for buy and the upper band is for sell. Am I making sense, guys? Am I making sense? All right, so listen to something here. Provided it touches the lower band, which is telling you to buy, you don't buy immediately. Wait for it to cross this 32 level, right? And when it cross the 32 level, the 32 line, guys, you can enter this trade. You can click on your buy because it's down and it's telling you to buy. And always make sure that your time frame is on the 15-minute time frame. Irrespective of the pair that you're trading, make sure your time frame is always set to the 15-minute time frame, and you are going to make lots of money. If you are patient enough, me like this, I'm an intraday trader, I'm a scalper, so I mostly use the 15-minute time frame. With this signal, you are only going to be getting signals like 2 or 3, at most 4 times a day. And trust me, with all these signals, you are going to make profit, right? Right, guys. So that's how the whole drill is. So let's see something. Let's say let's say it has hit the upper band. What are you going to do? What are you going to do? In just 5 seconds, type it in the comment section. Let me see you are following the video. So if it should hit the upper band, you wait for it to cross the 68 section, right? And when it cross, my guy, enter your sell position. And trust me, with this strategy, you are going to make lots of money, right? So always make sure your time frame is set to the 15-minute time frame, guys. Always set your time frame to the 15 minutes or the 1H. You can also use 30 minutes, but don't be using M5 and M1, else it's going to be giving you false signals, right? Always use either M15, M30 or 1H, and trust me, you are going to be smiling just like I smiled today because money flowed into my account with this strategy. If you find value in my content, please subscribe to my channel. It really helps me. It helps the YouTube algorithm to detect my presence here, right, guys? See you another time with another incredible and life-changing video. Bye bye. See you again.